So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a quick export preset inside of the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So inside of DaVinci here, obviously your quick export is up here in the top right corner. And if you click on that, you have all of these different settings, but they're really just limited because it's not the exact settings that you want. There's a pretty simple way to fix this. So come down here to the bottom and come to the deliver page, just like that. And now you can see I have a long form export preset. It just isn't for my quick exports. So what we can do is come up here to the three little dots, click on those, and you can see I have my long form preset right here. And then on our very bottom of our options, you can simply just click add to quick export. So now if I come back to the edit page and click on quick export, you can see I have long form, which will give me all of my very specific settings that I have pre-made so that I know that my video will be exported how I want it instead of just a really simple like H.264 export, which might not be what you like. So if you like this video or maybe it's helpful, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.